Olive was our first rescue dog, and that's where BakedBones began. She had a stressful puppyhood, and we were desperate for ways to make her comfortable. Our experience wasn't unique. Our response was.
We'd spent years researching ways to manage stress in our own lives, and we wanted to do the same to help our pets. So we baked the first baked bone. Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Brantley.
And we help other pet parents share the science-backed benefits of CBD so they can enjoy better days with their dogs.
Derived from the hemp plant, CBD is a naturally occurring compound that interacts with your dog's endocannabinoid system. That is, the biological system that runs from nose to tail and supports major processes like pain, sleep, mood, and inflammation. And as the first licensed hemp manufacturer in Texas devoted to pet wellness, we've set the bar high for a budding industry. Since then, we've helped thousands of dogs across the country and used a portion of each sale to fund local animal rescue efforts. We source organically farmed, full-spectrum hemp and use transparent, third-party lab testing to ensure the quality of every batch.
And our vet-approved recipes are award-winning for a reason. We combine American-grown hemp with simple, human-grade ingredients like fresh fruits and vegetables, cage-free eggs, and select herbs and botanicals to make a better bone.
Serving more options and more flavors with a fresh new batch delivered to your door each month. And that's how we bake dogs happy at BakedBones.
Oh, you're still here! I'm so glad! BakedBones was built for the Bayou City. Houston has more dogs per person than anywhere else in the world. So if you don't have a dog, then you surely know someone who does. Stop by our booth for a sample and to learn more.
This summer, we've been busy. We've grown our team with veterinarian expertise, scaled our handmade production capacity by over 500%, and won multiple categories in Houston Chronicle's Best of the Best awards. We are growing and invite you to join our mission. If you are a food chemist, a buyer for our local pet industry, or a marketer experienced in the nuances of cannabis, come say hi. We'd love to connect.